Hinihintay mo.
Nalilito pa ako sa lyrics eh. Birds of a feather. Tagalog mo ko.
Mika, bubalik ka agad ah.
Alam mo yun, like, hindi mo niya.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket. You carry, you go, I'm going to. 'Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. No, I said I'll never think it wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, but not be forever. But if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light is my eyes. Till the day that I die. Sino gusto ka manta? Wala. Singer, dancer ata siya. Oo, Chris pala to eh. Tapo.
Tagalog na nga lang. Ng Tagalog.
Tagalog. Officially na lang.
Usually Tagalog kasi na.
Officially lang
Ay,
ano.
nakalimutan ko yung
Hindi.
meron ako tayo.
Dahil rain fell.
Hindi, yun na lang.
search nyo lang sa Google.